This video's shout out goes to AG Stardust. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, commenting, and I will see. Wait, and being a loyal subscriber. Hey guys, today you're gonna learn how to make this DIY Valentines Day card. Oh wait, it says Valentine's Day. Whatever, who cares? It's beautiful. Etch-A-Sketch. Oh wait, Etch-A-Sketch. Whoops, amazing. If you do not make your mama discard, you're gonna end up looking like little Jerry over here.
Failure.
Wait, not all of us are blessed with the looks, okay? Little Jerry, would you like to sing us a song? Whoa, that is... Hey guys, I'm PerkyTomato, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this DIY Etch-A-Sketch Valentine's Day card. It's super cute, very unique idea, and it's super easy. So let's jump into the supplies. Okay, what you need is a piece of red cardstock paper. That is, wait, this is not red. Yeah, it's supposed to be red, but it's white. So I'm just gonna have to paint it, and it's gonna look very splotchy and sad and lonely like that, but it's okay because we're gonna paint it anyway with watercolor paint. If you have acrylic paint, that'd be even better, but if you don't, if you just have regular cardstock paper, that would be amazing, or you can use construction paper. So yeah, I'm making mine 4 1/2 inches by 3 1/2 inches, but if you don't want to do all the mathematician with a ruler and all that, you can just cut it and then round the corners. Make sure to round the corners so it looks somewhat like this. Yeah, you also need some white craft foam. If you don't have white craft foam, you can just use your white paper. If you don't have white craft foam, it's okay. Use white paper. You can cut them out to look like hearts or circles. You'll need some school glue, some gold marker. If you don't have a gold marker, you can use gold paint, a black Sharpie. You might want a pencil, and some gray paper. Yeah. I hope you got that all. If you did not, just go back and watch it twice. Did I mention you need some type of glue? It can be any type of glue. It can be school glue, glue stick, hot glue, taffy glue, any type of glue. Boogers. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Yada 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 yada. After many years of trial and tribulation, or what those silly 80s kids like to call 5 minutes, I finally painted my Etch-A-Sketch. Yeah, I didn't cover the middle because, you know why? Because we're going to put this silver middle on it. So, yeah. I got my 2 hearts, and I'm just gonna slap them on just like this. Also, no offense to any 80s kids. I think 80s was a great time. We just live in a very hard cultural. So now, anyway, I'm just gonna grab my silver piece, and we're just going to write something very Valentine's Day-y, like XOXO. Or it's XOX if you're lazy like me. You could write I love you, or you could write something like a heart. I'm gonna do a heart, so make sure to make it look very like squarey, since Etch-A-Sketches, if you ever owned one, you can't like do calligraphy. Now you can just slap your little sucker on there, like that, Make sure it's center. If it's not center, your mama will be unproud of you. Just kidding, okay. Isn't it beautiful? Now we're just going to write Etch-A-Sketch with our gold marker or paint. You can use yellow puffy paint if you have it, but make sure that you can see the yellow, not like, you don't want it to look orange on top of your red, you know? Okay. Now you got yourself 2 beautiful Valentine's Day cards to give away to your loved ones. You can write a really nice little note on the back if you want, or you can just give them these suckers like they are. Yeah, so that is a very quick craft, and for Valentine's Day, it's actually really cute. I actually recommend making these. I actually honestly do. Yeah, that is basically it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below something, because I love talking to you guys. Comment if you used to have an Etch-A-Sketch, or if you did not, and I will see you in my next video. Yeah, bye. Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.